The exterior light is operated from the inboard light switch pictured here. The light directly above the kitchen can be operated from the outboard light switch. The switch at the light itself must be turned on in order for the wall switch to work. To set up the ladder for the upper bed, detach the ladder from its mount. Insert the upper section of the ladder at a 90-degree angle onto the attach points. Then simply let the ladder drop down to the ground. It is important to attach and detach at a straight 90-degree perpendicular angle, otherwise the ladder will not seat properly. This can cause damage to the attach points. To start the generator, press and hold the stop prime button for a few seconds. Make sure the red light comes on and remains on. Then push and hold the start button. You will hear the starter motor cranking the engine. Repeat this until the generator turns on. It is very important that neither of these buttons be held down for an excessive amount of time. The generator can flood and the starter motor can be damaged. The furnace and water heater can both be turned on with this switch. Initially the red light will come on, then shortly turn off, but it doesn't mean the system is turned off. Pressing and holding the test button will show you the tank levels of the fresh water, gray water, black water, and battery level. To turn the water pump on, press the red switch. At first you will hear it kick on. It is an as-needed pump, which means it will come on as you open the spigots. Generally, you want to keep the pump off while driving. To operate the refrigerator, press down on the on-off button. Initially, you will see two lights come on, then the one on the right will go off. When you press the gas button, you will notice that the auto light goes off. This means that the fridge is still on, but strictly is using propane as a source of operation. Notice that the on-off button is still pushed in. This can be confusing as it looks to be off. To double check, you can press the on-off button again to verify its position. It is a good idea to leave the fridge in the auto mode. In this mode, it will operate off of AC electricity. This will only happen when the generator is on or the RV is hooked up to electricity. If electricity gets turned off, the fridge will automatically switch over to propane. The accent lights for the main bed can be turned off and on separate of the wall switch. To operate the ceiling fan, first make sure the vent cover is open. Adjust the fan setting as needed with the 4-position knob. Now the fan can be operated from the wall switch. To operate the shower head, turn on the sink faucet. Pull up on the shower valve. Notice, it barely moves up maybe 1/8 of an inch. For this demonstration, the water flow was set very low. To convert the dinette to a bed, first pull the lock pin from underneath the table. Be sure to store the pin in a safe place. Continue by removing all of the seat cushions. Push the table all the way down and add the extra foam pads as needed. Finally, configure the seat cushions as desired. To convert the bed back to a dinette, simply reverse the order, keeping in mind where to place the seat cushions.